Hey everybody. Few days back ICT came live in a Twitter space and he gave us a strategy of how to trade professionally and get rid of our 9 to 5 jobs. And the interesting thing was the confidence with which he was saying all this, okay? I have put the link to that video in description. You can watch it if you want to, but the purpose of this video is to explain and backtest the strategy to see if it really works, and you guys will decide if it really works or not. So now I will jump straight into that strategy and I will discuss it in two steps, okay? The step number one would be identifying the liquidity spots, and you have no room to get it wrong, because if you get the first step wrong, you can't expect the next one to work for you, okay? I have my own easy way of identifying those points, and I use simple supply and resistance. You would already be familiar with their strategy, and I use usually 30 minutes or hourly chart for identifying the support and resistance points. So what you have to do is to draw the support and resistance lines like this. See, here it got support, and also we got multiple rejections. So this is one of the support line, okay, and it has been the resistance point too. So this is a valid liquidity point, okay. We'll draw a line here. Then you can see we got multiple rejections at these points. So this is also a point to look at for our liquidity. So I will take just this portion to discuss this strategy, okay. So if you are trading forex and indices, then you need to draw vertical lines from 9:30 to 11:30 New York time and try to find the desired structure within this time, okay. But if you are trading crypto, then I don't see any need of drawing those vertical lines, okay. Like timing isn't of much importance if you are trading crypto. Okay, so now step number two would be switch to smaller time frames like 5 minutes, 3 minutes, or 1 minute, okay. You can find the structure we are going to discuss on 5 minutes, 3 minutes, or 1 minute time frame, okay. So what you need to do is you need to wait for a close above the resistance lines or below the support lines, and look for a structure which I am going to show you right now. If you get this structure below or above these points, then you can enter into your trades, okay. So I will use 3 minutes time frame here, and let's see if we have any structures. Okay, we haven't got any structure on 3 minutes. Now I will use 1 minute time frame. Okay, so here you can see we got a close below that support line, okay. It came down, we got multiple closes below the support, and then what happened is this candle, this green candle, closed above the down closing candle, okay. So what you need to do is you have to put your orders at this fair value gap, okay. And then you can see it came down to that fair value gap, okay. Your orders got filled, and you need to put your stop loss below this swing low, okay. So you can see once the orders get filled, it came up towards these swing lows. So you can target any fair value gap to the upside or these swing highs, okay. Let's see if we have got any more structures like this. Okay, so let's see, no structure so far. Let's see if yes, here see this was the resistance line. Now we got closes above this, so it became the support, okay. And here what happened was it came down, we got closes below the support, and then the next candle closed above this. You can see this one. So you have to put your orders here and your stop loss here. You can see it came down to that spot, your orders got filled, and it went straight up. Okay, so here you can see you got a big pump, so you can target these swing highs. Okay, now we will see if we have got any more structures. Here you can see you have to draw some support line. There would be some resistance or support previously. Now it went up. Okay, we got a close up, and then the next candle close below it. This is the bearish order block, and you have to put your orders at this area. It went up, orders got filled, and your stop loss would be here. You can see it came straight down. Okay, now again this was the support, this line. It came down, like we haven't drawn it perfectly. It needs to be towards here. Okay, we got a close here, the next candle closed above it, and it went straight up. You can see, and you can target these fair value gaps or these swing highs. Okay, so I have shown you some examples, and the recent examples. It really works. If you draw these lines accurately, you need to draw this as accurate as you can, and then it will pay off. And also the good thing about the strategy is that the stop loss is tight, so you don't have to worry much. Thank you.